In today's video, I continue working on the 61 Dodge Dart. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Light Projects. Today, I just work on the front suspension parts by prepping them up for paint and then painting them. So let's get to work. Alright, I got one of my spindles here. Now, what am I going to do? I have 60 grit sandpaper here, and I also have some steel wool. So let me start this up. First thing I want to do is I want to start to get most of this rust off. Now what I'm going to be using is a Rust-Oleum semi-flat Krylon. Yes, I'm going to be using this. And what it says is you have to get you don't have to get all the rust off. You just got to get mostly the heavy stuff off. So I'll do that. I'll do this. Take it. It's not too bad. It's a lot of just regular little bit of surface rust there. So. A lot of it, you're also just scuffing it up also to get it nice and rough for the paint to adhere to it. I'll mostly use the steel wool for this for the front axle here, just to get mostly everything off of there. Anything that was left or and you can also use to clean it off and get it ready for paint is a household cleaner to get everything nice and ready to clean. Let's put this over here. Next thing I have, I'm going to take one of my knuckle arms and start doing that one. Start cleaning that up. This ain't so bad. This don't really have a whole lot of rust on it, so. Alright, the last thing I want to do on the spindle is I want to tape this all up so I don't get any paint on it. I'm just going to use regular painter's tape. I hope it'll stick. It should. Alright, that should do it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put a first coat on it. Now, it's nice, it's pretty warm today, but it's a little more windier, so hopefully when I spray it, it's going to go right back in my face. But it probably will, because that's usually what happens. Alright, I'm going to let these set for like 15-20 minutes. I'll come out and do another coat, and then I'll wait again and do another coat. I'm going to do 3 coats all together. Then we'll look at them, check them out. Alright, just wanted to show what 3 coats look like of gloss black, and I think they came out really well. So, yep. I do want to say that I am sorry that this video is probably going to be really short. I was expecting to have more parts delivered, but they never came. My A-arms, actually, they just got sent today, so they're not going to be here for a little while. Also, I had plans on going out and working on the 61. I was going to clean up the engine bay and do some painting on that. But my neighbors decided to have their roof done, and it was terribly noisy. It was just, you wouldn't be able to hear nothing, and it just, yeah. So that's all I got to do is just a few parts of the suspension. Basically, I just want to show how I prep them and paint them, and they came out looking pretty good, I would have to say. And just like my bio says, I am a stay-at-home father, and these are dad-like projects. So things get in the way with school and everything like that. I just don't have all the time in the world. Why don't you tune in every Tuesday for a new video? Also, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Dad Life Projects. Since you're here, check out these 2 videos right here. Also, hit that smash button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.